Today we have, AmeriCorps visiting with us. We're one of 3 chosen locations where the students are going to be volunteering. They're going to be supporting their day of service.
We're planting some cabbages, onions, beets. We're just planting natural foods that our people need. It's important because not everyone has access to the same sources that we have to food. So it's always, we're just here on a mission to provide and give back to the community that surrounds us, and just make sure that we give the opportunity to people that don't have the sources that we have.
Seeing all the corps members having such a blast and getting to network with different AmeriCorps members, it's always nice when you can see people having fun, having conversations, and getting out there and networking.
It's those moments that are just meaningful, right? When you can come out and whether it's plant a whole block of a particular item. But operating a farm of this size, this magnitude, one of the largest in the country, and only 4 paid staff, without volunteerism, we just couldn't do what we need to do.